In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Lemonade in Roblox Studio. If this video helps you out, consider subscribing to the channel for more Roblox Studio tutorials. Lemonade is an AI-powered platform that helps you create Roblox games using artificial intelligence to get started. Open your preferred web browser and search for Lemonade on Google. Usually, the first result will be the official website lemonade.gg. Click on it to continue. Once you're on the website, click the Start Building button. You'll need to connect your Roblox account. But don't worry, this process is completely secure. Click Sign in with Roblox, and you'll be redirected to the official Roblox login page. On the Roblox page, click Continue and select the account you want to connect to Lemonade. After that, click the blue Confirm and Give Access button. You'll then be redirected back to the Lemonade website. When you return, you may be asked to answer a quick one-question survey. You can select any option and continue next. Open Roblox Studio and load one of your experiences. At the top of the screen, click the Plugins tab and open the Toolbox panel. If you don't see the toolbox, click Window and make sure Toolbox is enabled. Inside the Toolbox search bar, type Lemonade exactly as shown. From there, you'll be able to find and install the Lemonade plugin into Roblox Studio. After installing the Lemonade plugin in Roblox Studio, a pop-up window will appear with a Connect button. Simply click Connect to get started. If you haven't created a project in Lemonade yet, you'll see a message saying that no projects were found. If that happens, go back to the Lemonade website in your browser and click New Project. Choose a name for your project. In my case, I'm going to name it Quick How and then click Continue. Lemonade will begin creating your project. This process may take a few seconds, so be patient while it finishes. Once the project has been created, return to Roblox Studio and click Proceed, then click Connect again. The plugin will start searching for your available projects. This can also take a few moments, so give it some time to load. As you can see, my project has now been detected successfully. Inside the plugin, you can even view the prompts that have already been submitted to that project. At this point, you can drag the plugin window to the side, switch back to the Lemonade website, and use the text box to describe what you want to create in your Roblox game. Lemonade's AI will then generate and assist with building the features you request. If this tutorial helped you learn how to install and connect Lemonade in Roblox Studio, be sure to subscribe to the channel.